What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, I'm gonna get this intro out as quick as possible because, as you can kind of tell, it's already starting to rain, and that's kind of what's been stopping me from like recording and whatnot. So I really just wanted to come out here. I'm not gonna let it stop me today. It's not too crazy. It's been just kind of on and off, so I'm gonna get to it. But yeah, as you can tell by the title of the video, hopefully, I've been fixing this dent, and I'm gonna get as much of it done as possible, and then I'm gonna fix the rest of it myself, or I'm gonna take it to a body shop and have it done like professionally, which is probably what I'll do. But I'm tired of looking at it the way it is, and I actually got it out like quite a bit of it the other day, and so I wanted to show you guys that. And then I wanted to just pull off the panel on the inside and do a little bit more. So I'll be working on the inside of the car in a sense, so the rain shouldn't be able to stop me anyways. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get to it. And here comes the rain, man. I hate the rain, honestly. Sometimes it's cool, but I don't like the rain at all. It's kind of starting to come down, so I'm gonna get this out as quick as possible and talk about this. So like right down here, you can see like there's like a part where it's in here right there, and then kind of right there as well, like to the left. And like I actually got that out quite a bit yesterday or the day before, and right here it was in a lot more as well. And then there was actually like this like huge, like you can still see it, there's like a line that goes like all the way down in the middle of the fender. I don't know exactly what you would call that. Let me know if you guys know exactly what that's called. It's just like that part right there. There's like a huge line right here, and I kind of got that away. And then there was actually another dent, or another bulge part, like that was protruding out, and it was like right here. You can't really see it anymore, which is great. And then you can see this one still a little bit, like right there at that angle that I was just at. You can kind of see it right here. That was out way more. I got that in a lot as well. I have like a dent dowel and stuff, and like this like really like cheap like dent kit that dent repair kit that I bought, and I've just been kind of going at it, you know what I mean? But honestly, I think I'm gonna take the panel off on the inside because I can see that this part is in way too much. And then when I step back and you get the shadows in it, you can see a lot better. So right there is in, and right there is all in, and that's all in. So I want to just work on it as best as I can, at least get this guy out, and then get this out a little bit more, all that part right there, and just work on it a little bit, because I am seriously sick of like looking at it the way it is. And then eventually I will tackle some of this, and then I don't know, get that as best as possible, and then just do body work from there. Alrighty, so I hope you guys can kind of see what I'm doing here. I got my little Torx kit or whatever, T, like 25s and all that. Well, no, it goes down super low. This little gimbal ratchet actually comes in super handy, super sick. Literally just picked this up at AutoZone. But yeah, there's like one bolt here, and then I think that's it. It's gonna be kind of hard because there's like a whole nother panel on the inside where there's like the speaker and stuff and all the wiring is held, and I like broke the, what's it called, I always forget the name, rivets. I broke the rivets, so that's like how I was even able to like push the dent out in the first place, is I had to pull that panel back. So let's probably just like set up the time lapse and just get to it. I'm getting it done, and like I said, as you can see, this piece, I think I'm just gonna bust it out and then literally just, yeah, set it back in there when I'm done. But yeah, I'm gonna do this and then get like as much as I can done. really tell very much, but it already looks so much better right here. I'm literally gonna just do my best to get it out a little bit more right here in these two little spots. Just right there and right there. But this is all like contoured how it should be now, and it's pretty solid. There's just a bunch of micro dents. Might be able to get away with like having somebody do like a bunch of PDR on this, and then obviously have to like fix this shit right here, because this was paint chipped off of right here, and I literally just took a little paint pen that is obviously not like 100% match. I don't know why they said it was, but duplicate color, you need to get on your shit, because that is not a match. But I'm just trying to like look at it a little bit more, and like I was trying to fix this part as well. I got it a little bit better, but and then again, there's parts that are like protruding out right here as well. So those need to not be pushed out and need to be pushed back in, but I don't want to stress it too much, and I don't have any heat, so I'm just trying to slowly like work at it and just massage it out pretty much. That's literally all I'm doing. I am no professional whatsoever, but I think once I get this like buffed out and all that, and like all the marks and stuff that are on it, I think it'll look a lot better actually. And obviously like this just is hideous. That needs some serious work that I'm not really able to do. So I don't know. I'll do what I can, and just keep on doing what I'm doing and get it done. I know this probably isn't like the video that you guys really want to see, but I don't know. I want to get it done. I want to put some more content out there like I was saying. And honestly, I'm pretty hyped with how much I actually got it out. Like, this shit was way in before, but I'm dirty as hell. I'm all beat up from trying to reach in there and whatnot. So I'm probably gonna call it a day here soon. I might try and work at this a little bit more, but it was kind of cool. You could actually see it like coming out on camera. Man, shout out to PDR guys that actually do this type of shit. I could not. I mean, I'm sure if I had the right tools, I could do it a lot better. But like right here, like this looks like it just needs to go in a little bit, because you can see it's like I can feel it's coming out. So I might try and get that in a little bit, and maybe that'll bring this out. But I practically like got like this body line back. Like that was honestly like not even there at all. Like you couldn't even see it from right here whatsoever. Like you couldn't see it at all. So that's kind of back. These are really hard to do because like they're both down below this, and it's like I honestly don't have any actual pry tool. I'm literally using a Dent dowel, and it's all beat up and banged up. And I have like suction cups and stuff like that, but I don't really need to use the suction cups anymore because I actually pulled quite a bit of it out with the suction cups the other day, like I was saying. But actually I worked on this part quite a bit. And like I said before, like you could tell it was way worse. But honestly, I don't think I'm gonna get it much better. I might try and work this big piece out and just hit it a little bit, but honestly, this shit is fucked. I can't wait to get it fixed and like actually fully fixed. But I wanted to come out here, put another video out like I was saying, and just work on it because I was tired of looking at it. And if I could fix it a little bit better like I did, then I'm happy with that. So I just went upstairs, cleaned off a little bit, and honestly, I was sitting up there looking at it, and like I was like, damn, I was like, you can't really see it nowhere near as much, like, and I think the next step that I'm gonna take is take this little handy dandy thing like I was talking about. The only problem I have right now is that the reason I can't use this right now is I need hot glue, and obviously, as you can tell, I live over there, so I need a hot glue gun. I have a hot glue gun, but I need a power source. So I might pop over to my buddies and you know, glue this thing onto a couple of these spots where I can see that it needs to come out, and just start working at it some more. This part is so like, it's so close to this, so it's so like structural, it's strong, like it's way stronger than like out here, so it's hard to pull dents out of. You can hear like here. So I think I should be able to pull out some of these and get it to, you know, shape it up a little bit better, and, you know, smooth it out in some of the spots where it's still in, and some of the spots that I can't get it. But honestly, I mean, like, this is just kind of one of those videos where I show you guys, you know, the process of things, and like the truth behind you know, not having a perfect car. This thing is nowhere near perfect. With just the one little thing that I had used, I got a lot of it out. So, and yeah, I might go pop over to my buddies, try and use this thing that I was talking about a little bit, and get like as much of the rest of it as I done as I can. You know what I mean? And just get out those little few things that I was talking about. But again, overall, I'm stoked with like what I got done. And if you look at like that right there, the back's like the wheel arch, and like if I try and hide that serious dent, you don't really see it as much. Like, it actually came out quite a bit. I'm on my way, and of course it starts raining. I might not be able to get this done, but I mean, I can't not try, you know what I mean? Hopefully when I get there it stops raining, you know what I mean? I don't know, honestly, but I'm just gonna get out of the house for a minute, go head over there, try and get some more done, and just take the day as it goes. Like, these gas prices are crazy, man. I'm driving around like a damn grandma. I'm about to sell my left. Oh man, no, I'm kidding. I'm just cruising home. A couple little things. Window is gonna be fixed here in the next few weeks, like I was saying. I have this like little I don't even know what it is. Super weird noise every time I hit like a bump at low speeds. It's like in the right rear of my car. So I need to figure out what that is. I might make a video about doing that, fixing some clunks and stuff. But overall, I'm hyped with how today went, and I can't wait to fix some more of this dent. And that is going to wrap up today's video. I really appreciate everybody for tuning in, and if you made it to the end, seriously, thank you so much. I'm stoked with what work I got done on the dent. It actually came out pretty good. I might come out with one more video, and then it's going to get some body work. Window's going to get fixed here soon, but as you can tell, I got some new tires up there. Hopefully you guys can see them. Shout out to the homie, he came in clutch, hooked me up with those. I'm going to grab 2 more, get those installed as soon as possible. Not too many crazy mods going on right now, but again, I am working with a lot of different companies right now and trying to get some things rolling for me and for you guys. So make sure you stay tuned. And if you guys are new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And just, stay tuned for more. Lots more to come. And like I said, hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on, and tune into some great Mark 6 Volkswagen content. And we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.